Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Riddhi Karande and if you haven't subscribed to me yet, consider subscribing. And title से तो समझ ही गया होगा कि what is this video about. I'm going to do my makeup. I am going for a skincare brand shoot and I'm going to talk to you about how being a creator is an art. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so सबसे पहले you have to wash your face with a mild cleanser and then dry it off and then start your makeup. So firstly I'm going to apply some moisturizer. This moisturizer is water based by Kicks Cosmetics. I like it very much क्योंकि ये oily नहीं है and it hydrates. Okay, well, coming back to the topic. How being a creator is an art is because you are being judged, you are being seen by everyone, and whenever you get like a tag of a creator, you are held responsible for your actions. And what I mean by that is तुम क्या लगाते हो, तुम क्या खाते हो, तुम क्या पहनते हो, तुम क्या करते हो, ये सब देखा जाता है. लाइक कॉन्स्टेंट मॉनिटरिंग हो रही होती है. दैट इज़ बिकॉज इवन समवेयर you put it out there for the world, but once you are, there is no looking back, or like there is no getting away from the judgments or the reviews of people. So to tell you a bit about myself, I wasn't planning on becoming a full-time creator or a creator even for that matter, क्योंकि मैंने स्टार्ट किया था like with vlogs and जो funny skits नहीं होता है, like लॉकडाउन में जब करने को कुछ था ही नहीं. That is the time when me and my sister just got up like suddenly एक दिन and we were like कि चलो कुछ करते हैं. I was just told to act and she was the one, my sister, yeah, my elder sister, she was the one to shoot and to post everything, while I was just a actor. Yeah, so I was just acting for the script, acting according to the script that she told me to. So that was something she started, and after I grew up and after the lockdown वगैरह सब खुल गया, मुझे पता नहीं था कि उसको क्या करना है, लाइक आगे कैसे लेके जाना है और whatsoever. I wasn't even aware कि creator नाम का कुछ होता है. I used to just watch mostly Sane at that time, and I wasn't even aware कि इसमें पैसा होता है, monetization होता है, या तो YouTube पे तुम consistent रहो, you can become a creator जो होता है ना, वो that was never in my plan. But as the time passed, मैंने BMM किया mass media. As the time passed, I somewhere realized that हाँ, मतलब मैं बनी इसी के लिए हूँ. So slowly जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ता गया, वैसे वैसे I realized that I am interested more into singing. Being as a child, I was just interested in dancing and like really only dancing. I don't know suddenly singing कहाँ से आ गया. But then college में I used to do fests and I started singing and I started getting appreciated and recognized by it. So that is how singing started for me. Similarly, I started making videos about products. The very first product that I got was a sunscreen, and that was through an app. There are these apps basically for influencers to get started and to like get basic help just for the start. तो तुमको क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So I used to sign up on these apps. Few apps did not work out for me, and there were very few that like really worked out for me. So एक आधा ऐप ही ऐसे लाइक काम करता था. आई मीन एड्स तो बहुत आते थे इंस्टाग्राम पे, बट एक आधा ही उसमें से यूज टू वर्क आउट. सो ऐसे ऐप्स पे क्या होता था दैट द ब्रांड्स वुड पुट वट एवर प्रोडक्ट्स दे वॉन्ट टू endorse, they want to promote, and then you as an influencer have a choice to accept it or deny it. So I accepted, and the first collab that I did was unconsciously. I did it thinking कि it's something new for me. So it was for Nature Essence का sunscreen. That was my first ever collab or my first ever brand reel that I did, brand content that I did. एंड आई डिड नॉट थिंक कि आगे जाके इसमें मेरे को पैसा मिलेगा ब्रो, या तो मैं अब से कोलैब्स ही करूँगी एंड आई एम अ क्रिएटर, आई एम अ यूजीसी क्रिएटर, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं सोचा था. आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग इट सुपर अनकॉन्शियसली. मैं ऐसे कर रही थी एज इफ हाँ चलो कुछ नया डालेंगे वीडियो में. बट लिटरल डिड आई नो कि इसको बोलते हैं ब्रांड डील्स या तो पार्टनरशिप, पेड पार्टनरशिप. I did not know. See, life is a constant process of you learning and going through everything. So I feel कि मुझे बहुत ही लेट रियलाइज़ हुआ कि वो क्या था क्या था इन द सेंस ब्रांड डील्स एंड एवरीथिंग. ये भी ऐसे भी होता है, मेरे को पता ही नहीं था टिल say what 6 months back. 6 months back I properly got my head at it कि you know ऐसे होता है एंड यू हैव लाइक ऐसे ब्रांड डील्स वगैरह होते हैं, ये करना होता है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई फील एंड नाउ दैट आई एम गेटिंग इनटू इट, आई फील दैट इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब हैज़ पुट ऑन सो मच ऑफ एक्सपोजर ओवर अस कि यू नो सबको ही अब इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है और सबको ही अब ब्रांड डील्स करने हैं. And everybody just tend to compare कि भाई she started and now she is gone up, like she's doing this, she's doing that. I mean, you should focus on your content and what you like doing. क्योंकि if you are not interested in any of the brands, okay, if you're not interested, then that won't excite you as much. Your original content or your originality excites you. So since I'm going for a skincare brand ka shoot, they wanted my makeup to be light and just presentable, a bit presentable, and that is the reason मैंने इतना सा makeup किया है and I'm just done. So I'm done with the video as well, and if you liked what I said, please do let me know in the comment section ki what you all really thought about it, and consider subscribing me if you want to, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, focus on yourself, stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is really very important. Let me show you what do I mean by staying hydrated. Okay, setting spray मारना है तो. Okay, so this setting spray that I have, oh my god.